How to enable trade confirmation on Steam. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up the Steam app on your device. Now you want to click on your username. Once you do that, you want to click on the option that says Edit Profile. Now here, select Privacy Settings. Now scroll down and find Inventory. Now click on the drop down menu and you want to set this to public. Once you do that, you want to uncheck this box as well that says always keep Steam gifts private. Once you have done that, you want to head back now and then click on Inventory. Now click on Trade Offers. From here, click on Who can send me trade offers. Now click on Create New URL. Then click on Create New URL. Now you simply want to copy this new URL that you have created. And now for the last step, click on New Trade Offer. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.